Members of the #1 multi-level marketing front row showcased their luxurious sports and supercars in a car show in Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga. More than 200 sports and supercars were displayed by front row members at the Clark International Speedway in an event called Front Row Track Day 2019. Front Row CEO Sam Bersosa said the event sets another world record following the event in the Philippine Arena last week.
This event is just a normal track day for all the sports car and supercar owners na mga distributors of Front Row. As we all know, we just finished our historic event in Philippine Arena where nagpuntahan yung mga leaders natin from different countries and different branches all over the Philippines. So as you can see, yung iba nandito. So ngayon, sabi nila, oy, let's do a track day para naman magamit natin yung mga sports cars at mga supercars na pinaghirapan nila and makamit being a distributor of Front Row.
Bersosa said many lives changed because of Front Row, and the luxury cars serve as evidence on how the lives of their members change.
That's the vision and mission of Front Row, to help people achieve financial freedom and of course help them change their lives and get their dreams. So most of these distributors have gotten some of their dreams. Some got their cars, their supercars or sports car. So yan, ini-enjoy lang namin as we say in Front Row, just enjoy life, and life is good, God is good.
He added that Front Row started as a small company but now they have presence in more than 20 countries. Bersosa said that the goal of Front Row is to uplift lives of their members.
Ngayon na medyo malaki na tayo, itatry natin na mas lumaki pa tayo kasi we're in more than 20 countries worldwide. So ngayon, papalakihin pa natin na mas marami tayong countries na mapuntahan, mabuksan na branches, and matulungan ng mga tao, hindi lang sa Pilipinas pero sa buong mundo.
Meanwhile, Bersosa expressed his gratitude to their members who believe in their vision and direction. He also extended his invitation for non-Front Row members to join them so that their lives too will change for the better.
Thank you for the trust. Doon sa mga hindi pa Front Row, guys, just check it out. Wala na mawawala. Marami na bagong buhay yung Front Row. Marami nang natulungan. Ito, sample lang, 200 plus, almost 200 plus supercars and sports cars. Iba pa yung mga car achievers natin, thousands na po yun. So, I hope makasama namin kayo.
Erwin Aguilon, Inquirer TV News.